Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put oil in your Dodge Avenger. First, gather your essential tools: a wrench, an oil drain pan, and a new oil filter. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the engine is cool to prevent burns. Always consult your owner's manual to confirm the correct oil type and the exact amount needed for your specific model. Now let's drain the old oil. Find the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan. Place your oil drain pan directly underneath it to catch the used oil. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Allow all the old, dirty oil to flow out completely into the pan, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Finally, securely reinsert and tighten the drain plug. Now for the fresh oil. Find the oil fill cap, typically marked with an oil can symbol on top of your engine. Carefully pour the recommended amount of new engine oil into the fill hole. Your Dodge Avenger usually requires about 5 to 6 quarts. After adding, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level using the dipstick, adding more if needed until it reaches the full mark.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.